Make some noise for Rosemary. Boo!
I'm back, y'all. So, I will be singing 2 songs for you guys tonight. This first one is my original called What Are We Given? Let's get it. To see how the world connects with me, then I know for a fact we're the same. Mother Nature's power became what we see in front of us. Oh, it's great. The beauty running in our veins. It's a demand. Searching for a world we must find. Within ourselves we must remind. That's why we're existing. How we are living. Every species on this earth has its worth. So what are we giving? What we're giving. Life's a beauty to admire. Another day will get brighter. What's in our own desires will inspire to help anyways. Luckily enough to have one more day to say love is what's in front of us. Oh, it's grand. The beauty running in our veins. It's a demand. Searching for what we must find. Within ourselves we must remind. That's why we're existing. How we are living. Every species on this earth has its worth. So what are we giving? What we're giving. Thank you so much. That was my original What Are We Given? And thank you so much to Sean Mochiko for producing that. And it is on my SoundCloud, RZMY.